Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix iPhone storage full issue. How to fix it. So the first fix is to delete unused app. Identify apps you rarely use. For example, any app, Messenger or any app. Tap on it. Tap on delete app and simply delete it. Now the second fix is manage iCloud photos. Go to settings, scroll down and tap on photos. Tap on turn on iCloud photos, turn it on and make sure it is activated. Optimize iPhone storage is activated. Now go back. The third fix is adjust camera settings. Open settings again. This time go to camera, tap on formats. Now make sure most compatible is selected, not high efficiency. Most compatible is selected to save space for future photos. Now for the fourth fix, clear Safari data. Go to settings, tap on Safari. Tap on clear history and website data. Scroll it and you will find this option, clear history and website data. Tap on it. You can select the time range and also this additional option for close all tab or only one tab. Select close all tab, and for history select all history and simply tap on clear history and it will clear your Safari history. The fifth fix is manage message history. Go to settings, open messages. Now under keep messages, select 30 days or less. You'll find this option in message history. Here it is selected forever. Select only 30 days. For the sixth fix, optimize iCloud storage. Go to settings, tap on your ID, tap on iCloud. Identify the section with the most storage usage. For example, as you can see, photos, doc, backups. After identifying, delete unnecessary files, especially large size videos, or clear recently deleted photos and screenshot in photos, and delete older videos. Now by following these steps, you can effectively free up storage space on your iPhone and improve its performance. That's it. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Techy. See you in next tutorial.